How you doing, guys? I'm Samuel. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, Sean's not going to be here today. He's feeling a wee bit of a grumpy pants, so I've sent him away to chill out and to relax, and that's what this video is going to be all about. Now, I'm actually more a model than I am a photographer. Sometimes I model for Sean privately, of course, but that's for a different story and a different video. But I've taken odd photographs too, and it's very, very important to remember that when we're taking photographs, have fun with it. I think that's the most important thing about photography, is to have fun. And a lot of people, especially when they're starting out to photography, they give their power away to other people. They would turn around and say, what do you think of this photograph? And the person could say, yeah, I like it or I dislike it. And the important thing is not to give too much power away to other people, because basically the photography is about you. It's an extension of you. What makes you tick. It's what gives you pleasure. So never lose sight of that. Don't be chasing the likes. Don't be chasing the subscribers. And you know, it's lovely for somebody to say that your photograph is nice and to get new subscribers if you've got a YouTube channel or a page, etc. But don't make that your goal. It's very, very important to remember that you're taking photographs for you, unless of course you're being commissioned to do some work for somebody, then that's a different ball game. But have fun. And as I say, I just think that especially this section of road that we're going through, we're in December, near the end of December 2020. It's been a tough enough year for so many people. I think nearly everybody has been touched by this section of road that we're going through with COVID and lockdowns, etc. Businesses closed and financial health. And you know, it's overwhelming, and it's very, very important that, you know, if photography is your hobby, make that your meditation, so to speak. You know what I mean? Get away from all of that hustle and bustle. Just you and your camera. You could do it on your own. Get out and take some photographs. Now, if you happen to be locked down, we're talking about next week here in Belfast, we're going to be locked down for, I think it's 3 weeks. You know, it's going to create its own problems. But what you do is that, you know, try something different. You know, one of the things I've been doing more recently. So one thing Sean has been doing more recently, now he's always been interested in abstract photography, but more recently he's actually been taking a lot of abstract photographs. Now, he was walking home the other night. He seen a photograph in Castle Street, and it was a reflection of Christmas lights. And it was a reflection on a puddle. And he took a couple of photographs. And he, as he got, it wasn't really working as such, but when he got closer, just below where the decorations was, there was a puddle sitting. And he seen the yellow parking lines going around the curb, and he took a photograph. When he posted it onto his Facebook page, people were saying it looks like the coronavirus. You know, even then, people can't get away from it. And it's funny because it does look like that. It's good to put a bit of humour into this current situation, and why not? So that's what this video is about. Have a fantastic weekend if you're watching this today. This is Saturday lunchtime. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, fantastic day and week or night, whenever you're watching this. And just know that put some fun into your life. And if it happens to be your photography, you're getting too serious, and you know the keyboard warriors are getting out there and they're attacking you because of your photographs, you know, don't worry about them. Shoot what brings you happiness. Don't be worried about what somebody else's opinion of your work is. Of course, take it on board if you want to. It's good to be open to feedback and advice. But if you happen to love a particular type of genre of photography or a style, or you want to shoot it or print it any particular way you want, you know, do that, because it's very, very important that you get happiness from your photography. You know, don't take life too serious. Don't take your photography too serious. But remember, guys, it's very, very important we look after the old mindset, because there's a lot of negativity out there, and it's important to do something different, possibly every day, to try to keep the negativity at bay. So, guys, listen. On behalf of Sean, sending you love from Belfast, and if you happen to be looking a model and pretty cheap, you know, well, affordable rather than cheap. I don't do nudes, you know, it's not really my bag as such, but I'm open to most things. So if you happen to be looking at a model, give me a shout. You can contact me via Sean's website, rambleswithmycamera.com. drop him a message. And thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check it out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. All the links are down below. Sending you love from Belfast. And I'll see you in the next video.